Here's another exercise on direct proportion. The question says that y is directly proportional to x squared. Then it says that y equals a for some value of x, and it wants us to express y in terms of a if this x value is doubled. Because y is proportional to x squared, it means y can be expressed as the product of some k value and x squared. And just to help with visualization, here's an animation of y equals kx squared, where k is slowly increased from 0 to 3. You can see that the curve gets sharper as k becomes bigger. The issue here is that we actually have no idea what k is for this question. However, we can ignore it for now and just carry it around in algebra, as I will show you in a minute. So the first thing we can do is to determine x, given that y equals a. Because y equals kx squared, we replace y with a and isolate x on one side of the equation. This gives x equals square root of a over k. Again, do not worry about k for now. And then we just have to follow the description and double this value of x. So now x equals 2 times square root of a over k. If we substitute this value of x back into the expression y equals kx squared, we get that y equals k times the square of this whole thing. So the square of 2 is 4, and the square of that square root simply removes the square root. So we get y equals k times 4 times a over k. And this actually cancels out the two k's, leaving us with only 4a. So the answer to this question is simply y equals 4a. We actually do not have to know the value of k anyways. You can also approach this problem from a slightly different angle, which might be even easier. So given that y equals kx squared, we can disregard y and k for now, and just double x by replacing x with 2x. So the square of x becomes the square of 2x, which equals 4x squared. So this means that the right-hand side of the expression will be quadrupled whenever x is doubled. Hence we arrive at the same conclusion that y equals 4a.